Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Dean.
We are here up on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We are A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain.
So we're the 20th of August. I want to pour the slab on the 31st, the week of the 31st of August. So we got to get stuff moving. So in the background, what you see is our septic piping for the whole house. And we're running a static test as we speak. The 10-foot pole is filled with water in the whole system, and as long as the top of the pipe stays at the same level, we know we have no leaks in the system, and that's what we're aiming for today.
Dean is digging the last pipe. You can see that we are gluing the last stack so that we can do our static test.
So what you're seeing is the drain pipe or the septic pipe coming out, which will be going out to where the excavator is the septic tank. And I've done all the septic system, toilet, shower drain, bath drain, and onward. Everything's done, and you see Anna in the foreground there. Oh no, it didn't work. Pipe, it was dropping. So what ended up happening was we followed all the lines down from here, there, everything was going good until we got to this joint here. And we noticed a small wet spot there. So we found 2 leaks, very minimal, just drops, but one here and one right here. Except for 2 joints, which was failed in the last part of this video. What has happened is it creates a lot of problems, because once your lines are set, I have to move everything back 2 inches to do the glue up on the repair. So it causes a little bit of a problem, but I'm able to by putting styrofoam under everything and moving that side of the line a little higher up, not higher up, but over more, I'm able to do the glue up when Ann gets here with the parts. It's a long line. It's 76 feet long, the line. So everything on that end, I cannot move. It's this end that I got to do it, which is okay because I can do it. Just takes a little bit of calculating and not moving more than 2 inches over, out, or in. It's an adventure today. So I am in the process of refilling the stack for the static test. That right there, we had a leak right beside the sawzall there. We had a leak right there. You see where it's kind of moist, if you want. So we re-glued that up. Ann's walking back, just checking. And we put the cap back on the end because we had to empty the whole system. So I'm in the process right now of refilling the system, which should take about probably 10 minutes. It's a 3/4 hose trying to fill up 4-inch hose, 76 feet. So it should take a little while. Thank you for listening.